So we're off. Which way will this game go?
Good distribution. Passed inside.
Good ball. Is this the moment? Good block there.
That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. And their first shot of the day is off target.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Well read. Captain on the ball.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Good clean challenge. Finds his teammate. Using the width. That's a goal kick.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
Picked up by the defender.
Using the width here. It's back with the goalkeeper. Dispossessed there.
Confident pass.
The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Great goal. And this is a world-class finish.
The replay will give us a closer look. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Great dribbling.
Good ball.
Defending.
Passed well. Well cut out. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. That's good link-up play.
Ooh, quality defending there. Confident pass.
Kick.
Well timed then. Great defending.
So after 45 minutes, it's half-time. They're winning, but they'll have to get more goals in this second half. Passed well. Optimistic effort. Oh, that's just off target.
Let's see that one again. No yellow cards so far. Let's hope it stays that way. Keeper put his boot behind that. And he plays the ball back.
Long ball then.
The ball played back.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
And with the defender now.
Passing the ball really well. He's cut it back inside. That's nicely played. He's unstoppable with the ball.
Back towards the centre. Shoots!
He's got under that a bit too much, I think.